doing that.
They're eating each
They will,
other.
unless you angle them. Like you could do one a little that way, one a little this way. But I don't think it's necessary.
Okay, just one then.
They're not even load bearing. It's like
Right.
they're just to prevent it from sliding back and forth.
You like spinning. Oh, does it?
Yeah, that's a good point. Yep.
Hey, eat this. Hey, eat this. Hey, why are you not eating my? Eat that! Eat this!
Don't
I hope
scream
they use
at-
this. It's
But
not tall.
you're
I mean,
not
it's not
eating
tall.
mine.
If it's
you
too
scream,
tall,
they're gonna be
it-
scared.
It won't be hard to move down.
And they
Okay.
won't able to eat
I'm
yours.
sure they're fine. Because they're about the same
Eat
height.
this. What?
Ugh,
Eat this.
this is pain.
Eat this.
Yeah, it's not-
They love to eat mine up.
Mm-hmm.
Eat this. Over here.
Might help you to put your other hand back here and push while you push.
What is this?
Trash.
Okay.
Yeah, it's calling you.
What is Amelia calling me for?
She wants to play with you.
Are you kidding me?
Solid. No. Hey.
Eat this. Here you go, chicken. Yes.